So, learning another language during your regular job. It's happened to me. I learning the Golang during some sprint. We have another features that come to my team, and my boss asked. Um, Everyone in a team want to learn Go, and I said, yeah, I I would like. I read about this language and I think it's a good language. And I was just excited. Google language, yeah, it's cool doing things that people on Google is put their hands. Yeah, and I start my journey in Go, and it was just to implement some features in the some node related to the 5G communication. It's the trick point was that this feature was in the first place was developed by the colleagues in China, and they just need we finished the project, but looking to the side of system tester. Yep. So the point was, okay, I spent 2 weeks learning the Golang program language and doing some small stuff to understand language, to understand the concept, and yeah, it was amazing. The all sprint I dedicate to understand the code legacy, because this was a huge code, and the new features or the thing that I was developing in Go. The purpose was just integrate with the things that this team uh, implemented or developed, and just work everything well, and yeah, get reports, write the documentations, comment, and inform all the team that this thing is working according with the according with the telecom standard, 5G standard, for this concrete piece of code or these features. And it's some point that is interesting. It's interesting because you are learning some program language to implement something that your team need. But if you said in it's funny, if you said in some interview that you don't you oh no, I can learn this language. The people said no. Yeah, oh no, we are looking for someone that is doing stuff on this language for more than a year. But you said, okay, I'm spent 10 years programming in Java, and you have a good offer in C++, and I want switch. And people said no. But inside of company is very difficult. You just working using one language, and it was my case. I learned on my own during my job just to cover and to implement the features using another language, and Go was one this language that I learned Go, and implement features in Go. I spent 6 months work with Go under Linux. I implement this functionality in Go, integrate the things in Go, and execute Go and C. And yeah, after this, I just push the code and everything go well. But this is, to me, is just a thing that when I write on my CV that I have some experience in Go, even that my main language is not Go, and I have 11 years of experience. If now I try switch to the Go, it's hard. It's hard to switch to the Go, because the amount of experience the company has is, oh no, we are looking for people with more 5 years programming Go. And I said, are you serious? Just people is spent every single day in their life programming Go. It's the thing that I understand. I understand that a software developer must look to the program language like a tool. Of course, we need just to spend some time to be very proficient using any kind of tools. I'm agree. But the experience that we have program, when we switch to the another language, we don't lose this experience. We have the same experience, the same critical point, the same idea, the same algorithm in mind. We just will switch the tools, and the time that I will need to learn this new language will be less time that someone that is learning program for the first time. Even that I have a lot of program skill and experience, and I know a lot of the real world situation. It's helped me understand this. Yeah, but it's not the case. For example, I work in this company. I work another project that this project was developing in Java, uh, and at certain point we need just refactoring Java code, and my entire team swim to the code, understand the code, and we just starting parsing things and updating part of the code, because the code in C++ or the process that we was developing need integrate with the Java process, because Java was implementing some load management system, some REST part that the C++ process need some some access the resource that Java was managed, the process in Java was managed. And yeah, we don't code people that developing this Java, because this was a code legacy, have a lot of years. We don't know the people that starting doing the stuff. Maybe these people don't stay in the company or left the company. Yeah, things like that happen all time, and you need to be prepared just to switch your main program language and understand other things, because you need to produce things, you have the ability to do this, and we do. And but my point is, why the recruiter just don't talk about this? Because this is the real situation. Your real situation is not all C++, and every day you will work in C++, implement the C++ 11 or C++ 14 or C++ 17. No, no, it's not real. You will exactly work in C++, but you have lot of tools and lot of technology involved in during the time you are working on another project. And to me it's very important the things that you need to achieve just to put your big program on language that you are work on to production. You have a lot of steps. For example, the communications, the building the teams, the operation system, the way that you manage your task, and the integrations. And maybe I know guys that they don't do so much better coding, but this guy was the guy that put all team working well, the guy that solved all kind of problem that we was facing. This because this guy was the guy that know very well the code legacy, but this guy was a tester guy, not a developer. And for example, we have some features. the code is a huge code, and you need just testing your features. This guy was the guy that said, okay, we have thousands of tests, and you don't need just wait 24 hours just to check the result. You can launch the first time this kind of job, 3 or 5 job, and this job will cover the code that you push. Yeah, this guy is the guy that put everything working. So, recruiter, please take attention to the all step that we as a software developer or testers or team member, people in industry in general, the things that we really do. Don't focus on just in the program language skills, because we did a lot of job that matter. Okay, guys, bye.